In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation bar in Wix. This tutorial will guide you through the process of enhancing your website's user interface with a clear and concise navigation bar, and it'll just take around 5 minutes. First things first, start by logging into your Wix account and heading straight to your website's dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your site, from design to settings. Once you're comfortably seated at the dashboard, look for the option labeled Design Site. Clicking on this will transport you to the Wix editor, which is the creative hub where all the magic happens. In the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side. You'll spot a plus icon, which is your gateway to the Add panel. This panel is where you can explore various elements that can be incorporated into your website. It's like your personal toolkit for website building. As you scroll through the Add panel, look for the option that says Menu and Anchor. Now comes the fun part. You get to decide the style of your menu. You'll be presented with options for either a horizontal menu or a vertical one. Choose whichever aligns best with your site's design and user flow. Once you've made your decision, simply click on the menu style you prefer. With a click, the menu you selected will appear on your page. Don't worry about its initial placement. You can easily drag it around the page until it's perfectly positioned. Commonly, navigation bars find their home in the header area of the site, but you're free to place it wherever it makes the most sense for your design. Customizing the look and feel of the menu is crucial to maintain your brand's uniqueness. Spend a little time adjusting colors, font sizes, and styles to ensure the menu integrates seamlessly with the rest of your site. This personalization step allows your navigation bar to not only serve its functional purpose, but to also elevate the aesthetics of your website. If you find that you've positioned the menu outside the header or footer and want it visible on every page, make sure you've set the display preference accordingly so your visitors always have access to it, no matter which page they're on. Once your menu looks good and is functionally set, you're nearly at the finish line. Click on Preview to see how it all comes together. When you're happy with the setup, hit Publish to make the changes live on your site. Congratulations! You've successfully added and customized a navigation bar to enhance your Wix site. This small yet impactful addition will make navigating your site a breeze for visitors, greatly improving their overall experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy web designing!